staying in this hotel in Chicago where the room temperature really wasn't getting warm enough. It was pretty cold outside and the room temperature was probably around, I don't know, 21 and a half, 22 tops, not going any further. So I called an engineer and he actually just enabled VIP mode on this thermostat, which allowed the temperature to go slightly higher, which was just enough. So the way to do it is to hit display, then the power button, then press up, and you can see it's gone into VIP mode, and then you can increase the temperature and it will have an effect on the room now. This doesn't have to just apply to going up in temperature, it can also make it colder in the room, colder than it normally would be. So it's a good tip and a good trick to try if you find yourself in a hotel room that's too cold and it's this type of brand of thermostat. Give it a try.